Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. Arjuna Arasu தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which type of renal tubular acidosis, RTA, is characterized by impaired hydrogen ion secretion in the distal tubule, leading to a urine pH that cannot be acidified below 5.5, despite systemic acidosis? RTA, pH 5.5. The correct answer is type 1, distal, RTA. Type 1, distal, RTA is caused by a defect in hydrogen ion secretion in the distal tubule, preventing normal urine acidification. சரியான பதில் 1, RDA. 1, RDA. Question 2. Fanconi syndrome is a generalized disorder of the proximal tubule leading to impaired reabsorption of which of the following substances? The correct answer is glucose, amino acids, phosphate, and bicarbonate. Fanconi syndrome is characterized by defective reabsorption of multiple solutes in the proximal tubule, including glucose, amino acids, phosphate, and bicarbonate. சரியான பதில். Question 3. A patient presents with hypokalemia, metabolic alkalosis, hypercalcia, and normal blood pressure. These findings are most suggestive of which renal tubular disorder? The correct answer is Bartter syndrome. Bartter syndrome is characterized by hypokalemia, metabolic alkalosis, hypercalcia, and normal to low blood pressure, mimicking loop diuretic use. சரியான பதில். Question 4. Which of the following conditions is characterized by hypokalemia, metabolic alkalosis, hypomagnesemia, and hypocalcia, often presenting in adolescence or adulthood? The correct answer is Gitelman syndrome. Gitelman syndrome is a salt-wasting tubulopathy characterized by hypokalemia, metabolic alkalosis, hypomagnesemia, and notable hypocalcia. சரியான பதில். Question 5. Nephrogenic diabetes insipidus, NDI, is primarily caused by a defect in the kidney's ability to respond to which hormone? NDI? The correct answer is antidiuretic hormone, ADH, vasopressin. NDI is characterized by the kidney's inability to concentrate urine due to impaired response of the renal tubules to ADH, leading to excessive water loss. சரியான பதில், ADH. NDI ADH. Question 6. What is the most common causative organism for uncomplicated urinary tract infections, UTIs, in women? UTIs? The correct answer is Escherichia coli, E. coli. Escherichia coli accounts for 75 to 90% of uncomplicated UTIs, making it the most common pathogen. சரியான பதில். UTIs 75 முதல் 90% வரை. Question 7. Which of the following is a significant risk factor for urinary tract infections, UTIs, in adult males? UTIs? The correct answer is benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, can cause urinary obstruction and stasis, increasing the risk of UTIs in men. சரியான பதில், BPH. BPH, UTIs. Question 8. Which symptom is most characteristic of acute pyelonephritis, differentiating it from uncomplicated cystitis? The correct answer is fever, flank pain, and costovertebral angle tenderness. Acute pyelonephritis involves the kidney parenchyma and typically presents with systemic symptoms like fever, chills, flank pain, and CVA tenderness. Sariyana Badil. CVA. Question 9. Asymptomatic bacteriuria is most critical to screen and treat in which specific patient population to prevent serious complications? The correct answer is pregnant women. Screening and treatment of asymptomatic bacteriuria in pregnant women is essential to prevent pyelonephritis, premature labor, and low birth weight. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. A complicated urinary tract infection, UTI, is defined by which of the following characteristics? UTI. The correct answer is associated with structural or functional abnormalities of the urinary tract or underlying disease. Complicated UTIs occur in individuals with structural or functional abnormalities of the urinary tract or underlying medical conditions that increase the risk of infection or treatment failure. Sariyana Badil. UTIs. Question 11. Which of the following is most commonly associated with type 2 proximal renal tubular acidosis, RTA? Irinde, RDA. The correct answer is impaired bicarbonate reabsorption in the proximal tubule. Type 2 RTA is due to a defect in the proximal tubule's ability to reabsorb filtered bicarbonate, leading to bicarbonate wasting. Sariyana Badil. Irinde, RDA. Question 12. Recently, Russia has been reported to be deploying advanced electronic warfare systems to jam which crucial satellite internet service used by Ukraine's military for battlefield communications? The correct answer is Starlink. Russia is deploying electronic warfare systems to jam Starlink signals, which are crucial for Ukraine's military communications. Sariyana Badil. Question 13. Which Indian state recently geared up to implement the landmark provisions of the Panchayats, Extension to Scheduled Areas, Act, PESA Act, by tabling a proposal in its cabinet meeting? BESA? The correct answer is Odisha. Odisha is preparing to implement the PESA Act, which aims to extend the provisions of Part 9 of the Constitution relating to panchayats to the scheduled areas. Sariyana Badil. BESA 9. Question 14. Which state recently unveiled an industry push, with Mitsubishi reportedly eyeing a chip unit, indicating a focus on attracting advanced manufacturing? The correct answer is West Bengal. West Bengal is making an industry push, and Mitsubishi is reportedly considering setting up a chip manufacturing unit in the state. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. Union Home Minister Amit Shah recently ordered a third-party audit to address which specific issue at airports across the country? The correct answer is airport passenger delays. Amit Shah ordered a third-party audit to identify and address bottlenecks causing passenger delays at airports, especially at security checkpoints. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.